could you explain us what Extrusion Intelligence is and what marks the difference from other business intelligence solutions in the aluminium industry?
Extrusion Intelligence is a specialized business intelligence solution tailored for the aluminium extrusion industry. Focus on optimized extrusion processes, providing real-time data, advanced analytics, and predictive insights specific to extrusion operations. What marks the difference from generic BI tool is its industry-specific metrics, machine-level integration, and focus on improving production efficiency, reducing downtime, and enhancing product quality. This solution is designed to address the unique challenges of aluminium manufacturing, such as die performance, material flow, and extrusion speed, offering actionable insight impacting directly the performances.